The snow will start to taper off throughout the morning, but those freezing temperatures are sticking around.
Yeah, it's going to be cold. If you watch those dogs, or I guess even the buffalo out there stamping through the snow, it's going to be a cold one this morning. Your dog walking forecast is still in the single digits between now and about 10 o'clock. We're going to see a slow warm up. We'll get into the teens this afternoon, 18 degrees by about 4. So it's going to be a cold one all day long today. Jacket, hat, gloves as you head out the door. Light snow continues this morning. Very little additional accumulation expected, though, for us here in town and north and northwest of Denver. Wind chills have dropped down below 0, though, this morning. It feels like about 5 degrees below. And when you look at our high this afternoon, it's going to be about 45 degrees below normal. Typically a little closer to 60 this time of year. But obviously, this was a pretty good, strong storm for us. And you can see some of the lingering snow there across the southwestern edge of the metro area, parts of Littleton, Highlands Ranch, in through parts of Douglas County and up along 285. You're still seeing some snowfall. And we'll get some heavier snow continuing south and southeast of town as the storm gradually clears out. But a number of the alerts that are in place there, I'll show you in just a minute, are in effect through the afternoon. Here in town, though, it feels like 5 below. Winds are coming in out of the east at around 5 to 10 miles per hour. And that winter storm warning set to expire at 6, it expired. So you can see we're no longer looking at that area of pink over the counties. So winter storm warning has expired here, but we still are looking at a warning over the southern and southwestern edges of the state in effect through the afternoon into early evening. So we're still going to see some snow there. Take a look at Futurecast, and again, very slow warm up. By about 10 to 11 o'clock, we'll get into the double digits, it looks like, right around 10 degrees. And then this afternoon, highs will be in the mid to upper teens. Still tracking some snow, though, south and southeast of town, so we're going to be just on the edge of it. Expect to see some cloud cover, potentially a few flurries, but again, very little additional snow. Early tomorrow morning, we're going to see again another start in the single digits. Very cold early Tuesday, with it looks like tomorrow afternoon more of a warm up, back in the low to mid 40s tomorrow on Tuesday afternoon. You're going to see a lot of snow melt with that, with more sunshine tomorrow and temperatures above freezing. A lot of what you're seeing on the ground right now will be melting. 42 on Tuesday. Now, again, a lot of kids out of school today. School canceled due to the snow. Tomorrow's bus stop forecast is a pretty cold one. Single digits in the morning again. Jacket, hat, and gloves, but then they'll see plenty of sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. Heading into the weekend, we'll take a closer look at your Halloween forecast, but things are looking pretty good, Jason. Mid-50s by Thursday, back to near 60, it looks like, both Friday and Saturday.